So there used to be a window here, right?
Yeah.
And now they just use a piece of OSB. I feel like there's better ways to go about that. I feel like that's not really rated for heat.
But this is. Okay. Life is going to get a little more challenging.
Oh, yay.
This is where I may put the tall wood to work.
Oh, yeah. You're the tall one.
Why am I looking up to you then?
I don't know.
I know you're special. I always look up to you, right?
Yeah.
How's that for an answer?
Oh, sure. It's like what? Like December 3rd now?
4th, I think.
4th, 3rd, one of the two. But yeah, it's like
4th.
yeah, not cold out here.
Not bad for northern Illinois.
Yeah. I haven't even put a coat on yet this year, like at all. The most I've worn is a t-shirt, a thermal, and a hoodie. That vent always sounds weird. The way the air passes through it.
Yeah. Well, it's a high efficiency furnace. And it has a fan that runs. Let's see, what do we have to do?
I'm not that tall.
You won't be in my way.
What was that?
I hit the alarm on
No, but what fell down in there? Another one of those.
it. Yep, oil can.
What's the alarm for?
I probably bumped the cord here. One of the cords. Or it hit it, so we'll have to get them out later.
You know, if you leave the oil can in there, it'll float to the top when the well gets full.
Okay, Phillips screwdriver on the bag. Put it back in there.
That one?
Just take it.
I don't know if there's more than one Phillips in there, so. Find another screw.
Yeah.
It's like when you're working on a house and there's like 82 different screws holding one board in. Oh, nice. Didn't need my help.
Okay, I am going to need your help because I can't cross sometimes.
All right, one sec here.
I got it. Yep.
I don't know if the camera actually caught me doing that, but for all I know, I was recording this pipe. I guess we'll find out. I was trying not to keep you waiting for too long because I didn't know how heavy it was. If I'd realized it was as light as it was, I would have made you wait a few more seconds.
Yeah, I feel that love.
It's not like it was that bad. That was light.
Yeah, it's so rough.
Huh?
I think it's like 52 pounds or something like that.
Yeah, that's nothing. I pick up boxes that are like 4 times that weight by myself. Maybe 3 times that weight. It'll be like team lift Actually, no. The box will say heavy team lift. You'll go to pick it up, it'll weigh less than that. And then it'll be like, say nothing about heavy or team lift, and you go to pick it up and it's like 200 pounds. Which those are supposed to go to the other facility. You'll look on there and you'll be like, it'll tell you that the box weighs like the shipping label will say the box weighs like 50 pounds. And you are like, there is no way this box is 50 pounds. And it's not like it's 60 pounds and they're off by 10 pounds. No, it's like 150 pounds. And the shipping goes by weight. So they're basically paying a third of the price in shipping.
I put my weight on it so I could get it.
I hear the juices flowing over there. I'm assuming you have to keep those pipe pieces because you need them for the other one.